This is a quick tutorial on how to add a tool or software, free tool or software, to the free tools and software section here at notlb.com. Now, this section is meant to be for tools that teachers would directly use and not something that's student-led, as in the student would do it on their own, maybe at home. That's for another section. Okay, so you're going to want to go up to Add Resources, select Free Tools / Software, and it's going to be another form like all of our things that we have for adding resources, trying to keep it simple. I'm going to do this one on Prezi, actually. So I'm going to go to the Prezi website. I know the title already. It's going to be Prezi. A brief description. Normally you find that about Prezi or about us. Copy some of that about Prezi. I'm just kind of giving people a basic idea of what Prezi is. Software environment, it's done online. And so that's why it's going to select internet. Now, computer is something that you would download. There's a brief description below it. But a computer would be something you would download and use from your computer. And at school, there can be a lot of restrictions on what you can install, or your workplace. And so you got to be really careful about that. You may have to bring in your own laptop, things like that. Internet is something that's done just within the browser. There's nothing to install, and so you can easily navigate to that website and use it at work and at home. Portable, which is a USB, is a whole other different section of different programs that you can put on a flash drive or even on the hard drive of your phone or an iPod, things like that, that you can connect USB to your computer and run some of these programs without having to install them on your computer. And that provides a whole world of other opportunities for you to do that. And there's a whole section of them, and that website comes from about the same website that explains how to use it and install it and things like that. So I'm going to select Internet because this one's done completely online. And then operating system is important too. If it's online, then you can select all of them because all of those can navigate there. Usually that just comes down to portable, which are actually just for Windows. But for a computer, you're going to want to look at it to see if it's Windows, Mac, or like a Linux or other. So this one's Internet, so it's going to be Windows, Mac, and other. Software type. Now this is another thing that takes a little bit of time to think about. Is it audio, video, image, course aid, curriculum, CMS or LMS is a learning management system or a course management system, kind of like a Moodle or some of the other ones that are out there, Blackboard, but only free ones. Utilities or tools, antivirus, spyware, or other. And so in this one, this is Prezi. This is a presentation. This would be kind of more of a course aid kind of tool would be my suggestion. And so it'd be a presentation, a way of presenting information. So they kind of keep it out of that video section. It's not working with video in itself. There's the flags as normal. You can add it to your MyLink if you want to directly right here. And then the URL. I'm going to go back to the main page of Prezi, just prezi.com. Copy that in there. Do your word verification. Click Save. And now you've created that resource for people to be able to view.